Hello everyone, my name is Mogaya Steven. I'm the lead engineer at Mogaya Contractors.
My name is Winnie Mwita, and I'm one of the directors at Mogaya Contractors Ltd, that is MCL.
As a young man, I dreamt and I said there's a Vision 2030 just come to the country. And I thought that most of the projects that will be taken up are either building or ranging in that area.
Our vision as Mogaya Contractors Ltd is to be the world-class leader in steel fabrication industry, renowned for its excellence.
Mogaya Contractors have been in operation for 7 years now. We deal with fabrication of steelwork. We design ourselves, we fabricate in our workshop, we do the surface protection of the steel, and we take it to site for erection. We also take pride in terms of the finished elements that we add onto our steel on site, so that the client can get a finished, turnkey project.
My name is Justus Waimiri. I'm Managing Director of Water for the World. We are a social enterprise based out of Nairobi. We provide clean and safe and reliable water through drilling boreholes, trenching water ponds, installing pumps, as well as constructing reservoirs, including high-rise tanks, among others. We have worked with MCL, Mogaya Contractors Ltd, for the past several years. And we have done projects within the city, Nairobi, and outskirts of the city, in some really remote places like Merile and Samburu, South Hall, where they have been our partners in designing high-rise, high towers and steel tanks. One of the things we have come to enjoy working with Mogaya is the ability to offer us a personalized service. For instance, the project we undertook together in Eldoret, this was a project where somebody else had started and then was unable to complete. So we were able to, working with MCL, redesign the project and deliver it to the client in such a way that it was seamless. They work with a timeline, and are able to deliver within the timelines that are agreed.
We strive to make sure that we achieve the timeline set on contract with our clients. And yes,
every project is customized and handed over to a particular engineer who makes sure that his project and another project that is being handled by another person are not clashing in terms of time.
The second thing is that the quality of materials that are sourced is good.
Some of the grade of materials that are being used are not matching the strength of steel that is required, the 275 and the S355 that are required. And those basic standards, if they are not met, it means from onset the structural design of that structure has failed, and therefore the implementation of it is just another failure that we are waiting to see. And so we've opted to source out these materials, importing them into the country so that we can have our materials that are of good quality that can be used for this particular project. We have also our local suppliers, and we work with Tononoka, we work with Doshi, and the major suppliers that are known for quality brands, for quality material that can be used in such projects.
Mogaya has very good technical expertise in terms of design, engineering, as well as execution of projects.
We pride ourselves in having a number of clients from small, medium, and large scale. And some of the works that we've been able to offer to our clients include canopies, go-downs, steel tanks and towers, and also steel roofs, not to forget multi-story buildings.
For example, where we are, these are 5 go-downs which have taken us 8 weeks to put up. That is from fabrication to end of it in terms of installation. If this was to be done out of traditional RC or masonry, this will have taken a period of about 18 to 20 weeks. Steel essentially will take you 30% less time and duration in terms of from the process of thought to the conception of the whole thing being put into use. a majority of the cost in a steel project are going into the materials. The cost of materials for project X will be 70% of steel. For us, we just add 28% of labor, and that's our cost. Transparency is beheld from the word go to the finished project that we're going to hand over to you.
We have tried to be transparent with all our clients, fair to all of them, whether small, medium, or large scale.
If you're a client like me, or you're somebody who is looking for an end product that is a quality product that is delivered on time and at a good price, then go for Mogaya. They'll deliver.
You can always choose Mogaya anytime, no disappointments, and we'll definitely be able to deliver to you on time. Thank you.